Okay, so the reason I'm making this video today is because 2020 in itself is a very different year. It's a very weird year. A lot of weird things are happening since the beginning of the year. And starting from COVID-19, we are all in a state where we are all sad and we don't know what to do. I mean, as things just seem to be like they are fine, the next moment everything is just different, and it's very sad. But I think at these times itself, we should realize that nothing is important than mental peace. And I feel, yes, nothing is important. Things come, things go, money comes, money goes, fame comes, fame goes. Nothing is permanent. But the only thing I feel that you can maintain is being peaceful. I think that is what is the most important thing, which is again the most difficult thing to do. Everyone is just trying to be perfect. Everyone is just trying to show that everything is fine on social media and all these platforms, which is actually not true. What you are in real life and what you feel from within is what really matters. I feel that being judgmental or having preconceived notions about someone, being bitchy, or rather having low self-esteem, low self-worth, and all these things are not other greatest I feel enemies of human beings. So I don't think you should do all these things, and just be more grateful, feel more blessed. Everyone doesn't have everything. Today, tomorrow, if I have a nice car, I will look upon a person who has a better car than me. So I think we are never satisfied as human beings, and we always want more and more and more. Once you dream of something, if that comes in your life, again you're like, oh my god, I want more. So I think we need to take a break, think, feel blessed, be grateful, and I think that is what we need to do in times like these. Otherwise, I think it will be very difficult for us to survive. We are already going through so much in just 1 year. I feel COVID-19 is happening, cyclones are coming, I don't know, celebrities are committing suicide, and so many things, and there is all negativity that is already spread around us. So I feel it is time for us to only believe in ourselves and be grateful in the first place. I think that will help us in the long run. Just be there for each other. Let's not have any egos. Let's not be like, oh my god, be egoistic, be materialistic. I think at the end of the day, we came with nothing, we are going to go with nothing. All that is there is only right now. And I feel life in itself is a journey, right? Life is a journey of ups and downs, of emotions, of success, of failure. So I think let's enjoy this journey the way it comes, and just let's be grateful and blessed. I'm repeating this again and again. Let's be grateful and blessed. And that's what, if you're grateful and blessed, more is going to come your way. And protect your peace, because your peace is in your hands, no one else's. Okay, so you need to decide what makes you lose peace and what does not make you lose peace. What makes you lose peace, just ignore it. Just don't dig deep into it. Just ignore it. If you don't like somebody, or if somebody talks bad about you, fair enough, just ignore. Don't go to retaliate, or just protect your peace. That's what I would say. So yes, this is just a thought from my side for this situation, because I also was very overwhelmed. So I just thought of sharing it with you. And yes, that's it. Bye.